how to remove users from Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove users from Windows 10 or 11, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove your users from Windows 10 or 11, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and click on the start menu, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, you're going to come to this page where on the left hand side you want to simply go to the option where it says account. Once you click on account, you want to simply scroll down and you'll find this option called other users. You want to make sure to click on it. When you click on other users, you'll be able to see all of the other users you've added, and then you can find the one that you want to remove and you remove them respectively. Keep in mind you will not be able to remove the current which you are logged in, and if you are not the admin you will not be able to remove them as well. So if you want to add it, click on add account. If you want to remove it, click on remove account button right next to the user. This way you can remove a user on Windows. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.